Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So as you know, in last video I was working on bus ticket part of our project. So and we have some problem in adding the passenger detail in our database. So in this video, first we will try to solve this error, and also we will try to insert the passenger details into our database. So the error was that we are using this isSet method inside other isSet method, that is this isSet method. So it was not working, because if this method is set, then only that isSet method will be triggered. But actually we don't trigger this method before triggering this method. Okay, add passenger, because add passenger post method will be triggered by the isSet method only if the isSet method containing the post variables proceed to book seat will trigger first. Okay, so that was the error at that time. So we are removing this method, and we will cut this method from here and paste it outside the proceed to book seat method. Okay, let me check the opening braces of the closing braces. Okay, we will copy it after this closing braces. Now we are good at solving problem. So save it and again refresh the page and see the output. While number you can take random 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 and click on add passenger. Yes, now you can see I have added passenger successfully. Ticket number generated, and there is a message: kindly use this ticket number to confirm a booking while choosing your specific seat. Now while booking your seat by choosing your specific seat, you need to use this ticket number. Okay, so and there must be data inside our database. So here you go. Passenger name is Pankaj, mobile number I have taken random, and also ticket number is generated by random function. So this is it for this adding passenger for the seat number 1. Now we will perform the same operation for seat number 2, 3 and 4. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that at a time user can book only at most 4 seats. So if he need to book more than 4 seats, then he need to perform the booking operation more than a time. Okay, so do one thing. This is for booking seat 1. Once again I am repeating you the error that was before when our code was not running was due to that insert method that I have used inside another insert method. So that is available on line number 546. So if this insert method will run, then only the insert method containing this insert method will run. But when we are clicking on add passenger details, then passenger are not added successfully because we have this insert method containing the post variables proceed to book seat is not set at that time. So I think you might got solution for this problem. Now moving to the booking seat for seat number 2, or total seat is equal to 2. Else if dollar ticket total seats is equal to 2. And now there is 2 seats available for booking, so there must be 4 input text, 4 input tag with type text and type number, 2 for text and 2 for mobile number, 2 for number. Okay, so copy this line of code and paste it just after it, and here the name will be customer name 1 and here customer name 2. You can take any name as per your requirement. I am taking it for convention. Customer name 1. Okay. So here we go, copy this line of code and customer mobile number and paste this below it and change this name to customer mobile number 1, and here will be 2. Okay, now come to I think here no change is required in seat position. Yes, no change is required here. Now save it, and another change is required in add passenger post variable, which is used inside the insert method. Okay, here ticket number is plus sheet is equal to 1, then the code is here. So copy this line of code and paste it just below it. The closing braces for the opening braces of line number 760 is 779. Okay, so copy just at the 780 and yes, here else if total sheet is equal to 2. Okay, that's better. This closing braces is for the opening braces of line number 781. Okay, and this closing braces is for opening braces of line number 785. Okay, that's good. Save it. Okay, one another change is required because there is total of 2 seats are available for booking, so there must be 4 post variable here. Customer name 1, customer mobile number 1. Copy this line of code here, paste it just up below it, and here the 2 and 2, and also index will be 2 and 2. Insert passenger. Okay, now do one thing. After this boolean variable which is inside if statement, copy this line of code from 789 to 793. Okay, and paste it on line number 796. And again write a statement if $insert passenger detail query result. Okay, if it is so, then we have this opening braces, and now there will be closing braces of 810 is for 802. Okay, and for 812 is for 795, and another one is for 781. Okay, that's good. Now save it. Okay, we will see the output in next video because time is already up to the mark, and we cannot continue this video from now. So be connected with us. Thank you. See you in next video.